A border conflict occurred between Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan from 28 April to 1 May 2021. The conflict reportedly began due to an old water dispute between the two Central Asian countries, but some sources report an immediate reason for the conflict was the dissatisfaction of the local population with the installation of surveillance cameras near the border. At least 48 people were killed in the events, and more than 33,000 civilians were displaced. The fighting started in the territory of the Kyrgyz Republic. Tajiks wanted to take control over the water distribution system on Aksu River. Conflict started with the dissatisfaction of the local Kyrgyz population regarding the installation of surveillance cameras by Tajik forces. After quarrels over this, Tajik forces opened fire on the local people and then started massive attacks on Kyrgyz side. The conflict between Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan, who are members of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and Collective Security Treaty Organization, erupted after Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu arrived in Tajikistan's Dushanbe. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.